Hey everyone, this is Shawn Batchelor. Welcome to my project review video for week 2, project 2, and this is MDFII. We've been tasked with creating another Twitter app right here, and let me just give you a brief overview of the application right here. Okay, so this is my main screen, and it loads in a collection view the friends from the current logged in user in this Twitter account. They're in 2 columns, and they have a UI image view right here with a UI label that displays the username. Once you click on a user, it loads their bigger image of the avatar for that user along with the username. I also have a return button right here that you can use to go back to the main screen. I created a refresh button to refresh the collection cell after the application loads in the first instance, because it's downloading all the images to the document files. Let me just give you a brief overview of my code right here. View controller, where mostly everything happens. My view did load. I have the refresh Twitter method that downloads the JSON data from Twitter. I create an array, and this array is what all the object, the image, and the name is passed through. Custom objects. And right here, the standard required methods for determining the number of cells in the collection. I have my segue that transitions to the detail view and creates the information for the user cell, the collection cell, sorry, that's clicked. I have 2 IB actions right here. One is to return to the main screen, and the other one is the refresh button, refresh action to reload the collection view. Okay, this is my refresh Twitter method, and then down here I populate the array to pass the information for the custom objects. I have detail view controller custom class right here. I have a custom object class, and I have also a custom cell for each collection cell. As far as the requirements are concerned, the UI collection view cell has both the avatar label and the image. When you click on the cell, you get a detail view. Shows a bigger image of the user avatar along with the name. Avatar image is loaded from the UI image object, and the code handles display errors. Okay, I should actually show you that in my refresh Twitter method right here. I have 2 checks. The first one is for connectivity right here, my network reachability, and I have an alert view. So if you're not connected to the internet, I would disconnect it right now, but my internet's actually acting up, so it loses connection. I don't know what's wrong with it now. And then here I have another check for if you are granted access. If you are granted access, you can proceed. If not, you get an alert right here saying you need to log into the settings and give permission to the application. As far as the other requirements, as it's listed in the project right here, let me see, videos. I already showed what I did for the project. Short review, what do I think I could have done better? As usual, design. I wish I actually knew how to make better designs. I actually not too much of a fan of the squares. I wish we could do like rounded rectangles, and I actually make it look a little bit better than it does. Other than that, it did have its challenges, but it wasn't too complicated that I wasn't able to figure it out. So anyway, this is my application. I am Shawn Batchelor, and it's my project 2 for MDFII. Thank you very much for watching.